This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 24. I've only just done 23. You should be able to remember what the next number is, but it's 24 of building the Eleanor. This is, and the next piece, a continuation to where we started before, the fuel tank and everything in there. So this is very simply fitting onto there. We've got holes that line up, plugs that go into sockets, like so, two on either side, and we're holding those in place with these screws here, two on either side again. Let's get out 4 of those. 3, come on, 5. I can never get out the right number of screws from these packets. Very strange. Sometimes I get it just right on other builds, but this one, never. So we'll put one in over there. I'm not tightening these first ones down because it's always good to make sure everything is lined up and settled. That one is not feeling like it's going in. I know, it is. It's fine. So that's the 2. Let's get the third one back over this side again. Like that. And the last one back over here again. So the car is starting to take a little bit of shape. I would assume it's going to be that way up because the axle is going to have to go through here somewhere, and for the wheels, and then obviously building up forwards for the old Eleanor. So yeah, that is another build stage completed. Let's get all of these tightened up. You don't want to don't skimp or shirk on tightening your screws on the chassis, because you don't need anything to be loose and wobbly. It all needs to be secure, because this is going to be holding basically the entire weight of everything at some point. So make sure everything is tight and firm. So there we have it, another issue done. Join me next time when I think we're building a little bit further up on this. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.